Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable or disable the right-click context menu in Windows Terminal on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If right-click is not showing the context menu or if it is directly pasting the text instead of opening options, you can easily change this behavior from the terminal settings. So let's get started. First click on the start button and search here for terminal. In the search results, click on the terminal app. Now click on the down arrow button and select settings. In the left sidebar, select defaults under profiles section. On the right, scroll down to the bottom and click on the advanced. Now scroll down to find display a menu on right click and turn on this one toggle. Now once this option is enabled, the terminal will display a menu on right click. When you will disable it, right clicking will copy the selected text or paste it if there is no selection. After enabling or disabling this one toggle switch according to your needs, click on the save button. Now close it and reopen Windows Terminal and your right click behavior will be updated. This is how you enable or disable the right click context menu in Windows Terminal on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.